Hey guys, it's Rehan from The Big Leap, and this is Digital Marketing 101 for startups. Today we are going to discuss about how to build a strong brand in the digital age. A few organizations appear to have the magic touch. Then again, numerous new businesses battle for quite a long time to pick up footing in the market. For what reason do a few organizations catch the consideration of a group of people while others get excused? So let's look at 5 necessary steps to build a brand. Conduct effective market research. Before making significant branding efforts, you will have to answer a few key questions first. Are your customers aware of your brand? How are you perceived in the market? How do customers view your brand compared with others? What characteristics do customers associate with your brand? Market research will help you answer these questions and gather feedback on positioning your further branding exercise. Brand research is usually conducted by interviewing customers, organizing focus groups. You can hire experts to help you conduct customer surveys or try using inexpensive or sometimes free online survey tools. Focus on unique value proposition. Your brand is your promise to the customers. So it's important you develop a brand that conveys a unique value proposition to customers. Something that stands out. Think about why your customers choose you over the competition. Are your products more dependable? Do they have a longer life? Or are they just less expensive than other in the market? In many sectors such as for fashion, furnishing, or manufactured good, unique styling can be a key differentiator. Choose a brand name that delivers your message clearly. Once you have identified your customer needs and desires and have come up with a product to meet them, it's time to choose a brand name to deliver that message clearly. It's best to be specific. For example, consider giving each product or service offering a different brand identity as opposed to simplify repeating your company's name. Create an emotional connection. Psychologists have found that 90% of communication is non-verbal. Markets have long known that. Businesses can vastly improve brand effectiveness if, in addition to a good name, they evoke appropriate emotion. One simple way to do this is the effective use of colors. For example, using red to create a sense of urgency, green for environmental themes, blue for water, and so on. They can help to reinforce an effective brand name. Some companies even use music to build brand identity. For example, Intel trademarked the musical note that they played at the end of its television commercials. Deliver consistent communications. Once a company has developed an effective branding strategy, it must be implemented consistently through every point of contact with customers, including in advertising, signage, public relation efforts, and so on. One key is to get employees on board. Your company employees are its greatest brand advocates. Creating an internal branding model will help them understand and connect to your core brand. They'll then be equipped to communicate the brand message to your customer. I would like to end this by quoting Lisa Hanksy: a brand is a voice and a product is a souvenir. Thank you for listening. This is Rehan from The Big Leap.